For those who have a printboard simple, this is how to connect a heated bed in your printboard. You have to connect a thermal couple here, next to the thermal couple that sends the temperature of printing head, and you will have to take power from here, right next to the socket that powers the heater of the print head. Okay. Then you will have to connect the positive to 1 and the negative to 2, and glue the thermistor in the middle of the plate. And you must hold the plate under the aluminium bed. Between the plate and the aluminium bed, you can use thermal paste so the heat can transfer easily to the bed. Of course, in order to power that, you will have to modify your power supply and use something bigger than the stock laptop power supply. Have fun.